Hello children, good morning. Today's topic India relief features. With the help of the above map, we will study the India relief features. Okay children, geomorphological divisions. India may be divided into four major divisions, that is Himalayas, Indo-Gangetic Plains, Peninsular Plateau, coastal plains and desert islands also. Okay children, first we go to physical divisions of India and next the Himalayas. Go through the Himalayas. Himalayas range, first one Himalayas, Himadri, greater Himalayas, and Himachal, lesser Himalayas, Sivaliks, outer Himalayas, like that divisions. Himalayas comprises three parallel ranges: Himadri, Himachal, Sivaliks. Okay children, next plateau, that is next one the Indo-Gangetic Plains. Second one Indo-Gangetic Plains, that is eastern plains, that is first one you see here, Indo-Gangetic Plains. Eastern plain formed by the river Brahmaputra, western plains formed by the river Indus, okay, and the central plains formed by the river Ganga. Next, Peninsular Plateau, Central Plateau divided into two. See here, Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau. Next one, Deccan Plateau, and location, size and shape of India. Location and size and shape of India. See here children, the country lies between 8 degree 4 minutes to north latitudes, 8 degree 4 minutes and 37 degree 6 minutes north latitudes, 68 degree 7 minutes and 97 degree 25 minutes east longitudes, forming the part of northern and eastern hemisphere. India has the 30 degree of longitude, that is latitudinal extent, and same amount of longitudinal extent also. Okay, and covers an area, India geographical area 3.28 million kilometers. Isn't it now children? This is a major India's physical divisions of India. North to south India covers a distance of about 3,214 kilometers against 2,933 kilometers from east to west. Okay children, northernmost Himalayan mountains, snowy islands. Okay children, and south fine hot and sunny Kanyakumari, and next one on the south, and next salty marshes of the Rann of Kutch on the west, and virgin forest and untrampled hills where the realms of Myanmar, China and India meet on the easternmost from the that is the extreme location of the country. This is the location, size and shape children. North to south latitudinal extent and longitudinal extent, and completely geographical area that Indian subcontinent occupies a fairly large area of the globe. That is with a total geographical area 3.28 million square kilometers. Children, physical divisions of India and Himalayas and Plateau, okay, coastal plains. Okay, main points, today's important points children, that is India geomorphological divisions. Okay, that is Himalayas, Indo-Gangetic Plains, Plateau and the coastal plains and desert area. Himalayas again divided into three parallel ranges: Himadri, greater Himalayas; Himachal, lesser Himalayas; Sivaliks, outer Himalayas; and Indo-Gangetic Plains, western plains. First one, western plains formed by the children, western plains formed by the river Indus, eastern plains formed by the river Brahmaputra, central plains formed by the river Ganga. Okay children, and next plateaus. Plateau slope, first one central plateau, it is divided into two, Malwa and Chota Nagpur Plateau, and next one Deccan plateaus. And here see here Lakshadweep Islands, Andaman Nicobar Islands, and the east coastal, that is coastal plains. This is the major physical divisions of India. children, main points. And the next one, location, size and shape also. The latitudinal extent at 30 degrees latitudinal extent and same amount of longitudinal extent also. Okay children, it is just the locational and spatial setting. Children, బాగా థరోగా మీరు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ రీడింగ్ ఈజ్ వెరీ 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 ఇంపార్టెంట్. టీచర్ చెప్పేది కూడా శ్రద్ధగా వినాలా. జస్ట్ రెఫరెన్స్ కోసం మాత్రం నేను ఈ మెయిన్ పాయింట్స్ చెప్తున్నాను మీకు. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, ఈరోజు ఏమేమి మనము మెయిన్ పాయింట్స్ రీడ్ చేసాము? లొకేషన్, షేప్ అండ్ సైజ్ అండ్ ఫిజికల్ డివిజన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా, దెన్ అందులో హిమాలయాస్, ఇండో గ్యాంజెటిక్ ప్లెయిన్స్, ప్లేట్యూస్ గురించి తెలుసుకున్నాం. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.